Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Andre Lindvest, and I'm the CEO of Ubiq Solutions. Ubiq has developed the next generation smart solar solutions. We are talking about the brand new, patented, and market-leading technology for module-level power electronics, focusing mostly on residential and small to medium commercial installations. What it means that each of the PV module has its own inverter, and we are doing this conversion most efficient way. The main challenges in the solar industry are low energy yield. 10% of the shading causes at least 50% power output decline of PV module. Then limited functionality and reliability and high cost. So we have achieved a great solution to solve these issues. We have made a new technology called OptiVerter. It combines two existing market-leading technologies, microinverters and power optimizers, and taking key advantages of both of them. So we can achieve a better energy harvest. It's more than 30% with the partial shading conditions, lower levelized cost of electricity. It's an all-in-one device with an integrated gateway, which you usually need to buy an extra. So we keep the costs down, installation costs. It is working all available PV modules on the market today, up to 350 watts, and it has a safe AC connectivity, which helps it easy to install and use. In addition to this advanced hardware and patented control software, we have developed and offering a full solution to end customer, which combines also our smart energy management platform, FlowM. FlowM consists of 3 words: Flow Energy Manager. It helps the customer initialize of the inverter. Each of this inverter has QR code on the back, so you can just scan it and install it very easily. It helps monitor and control the energy production, manage all the data collection, and get some reports, charts, whatever you need. So also, for us, via this FlowM, we can make this all the software updates, and you can get all the required grid code requirements which is needed in your specific country. And system panel health monitoring, and so etc. So we have also available apps for Android and iOS, so it's very easy and simple to use for end customer. What we have achieved, we have a patented control algorithm in US, Estonia, and pending in Europe. We have IP67 tests already done. We have at the moment ongoing EMC testings, and after that we can give out EC declaration to start the sales in EU. And next we will planning to make this grid specific certification tests in Bureau Veritas. So during the summer, all these are done. So regarding the market, there is a huge potential, at least in our focus area, up to 10 kilowatt installation side. So it is more than 1 billion, we believe, in 2020 already. And we target at least 10% to this market share. Business model is very simple. It's a business-to-business approach. We are approaching directly to PV module manufacturers, system integrators, installers, wholesalers, and via their existing channels, we are reaching to the end customer. And for the production, we are using subcontracting producers, and we have already a couple of very good companies in pipeline and under negotiations. So regarding the existing and potential customers, we have already several leads available. We have signed a letter of intent, and with these customers, we are planning to test our product to validate it on the market. So we will send out a huge amount of test samples, and these all will be tested during this summer. And also, we have listed a lot of suspects to continue to expand the business. So just some numbers of how many test sites we are at the moment and how many we are planning in the near future. So this year target is to start sales in EU, also expand in next year to EU level, and we will have a market-ready product for the US market also next year. We are fundraising at the moment. We want to close this funding in autumn, and start the production in October. And next year, it is planned to, yes, as I told before, it is planned to expand the business in US. Our master plan is, in addition to existing device, we have planned to make additional device for a storage, so we can combine all the energy production, conversion, and storage into one IoT hub, which can help to the end customer to manage energy production inside the household and optimize all the processes. We are looking for 3 million euros at the moment to expand the business in the next 2 years period in EU and US level. And we have a great team with a long renewable energy background and power electronics and financials, so plus a huge amount of scientists in the lab. That's all. Thank you very much.